हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज के एक बड़े न्यूज में, ब्रेकिंग न्यूज में ये खबर आ रही है कि इंडिया हैज पुट अप इंपोर्ट रेस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन द बांग्लादेशी गुड्स दैट आर मूविंग इनटू इंडियाज नॉर्थ ईस्ट. ठीक है. So if we look about the statistics, so this is going to severely impact especially the ready-made goods that are produced in Bangladesh, and India was largely the market for this. ठीक है. But ऐसा इंडिया ने क्यों किया? Why did we do this? For three principal reasons. First of all, because of the alarmingly very saddening and shocking statement of the chairman of the interim government of Bangladesh, Mohammad Yunus. He had made a statement when he had visited China that India's northeastern region is landlocked, and because it is landlocked, we should be planning कि हम लोग अपना access इस area में बढ़ा सकें. ठीक है. They were actually the discussions between Bangladesh and China. Were statements like this कि they were feeling pity for the India's landlocked nature of the northeastern region. That was one principal reason that India has taken this kind of step. Second important reason is, of course, कि Bangladesh had also made a statement when we were busy with Operation Sindoor. India and Pakistan were busy under Operation Sindoor. Mohammad Yunus aide had made a very saddening statement. He had stated that Bangladesh should occupy the northeastern states if India attacks Pakistan. That was the statement when at the beginning of the Operation Sindoor, that Bangladesh was in fact planning to attack India's northeastern region if India retaliates to Pakistan as a recourse to Pahalgam attack. Obviously, a very shocking statement. And third important reason why India did this was because Bangladesh slowly and gradually has been starting to put up non-tariff trade barriers to Indian goods which are moving into Bangladesh. तो non-tariff trade barriers जो हैं वो visible नहीं होते. They are not visible in terms of money because they are not putting up any kind of import restrictions. In terms of the currency, increased import duty. What they are trying to do कि for example you took your products to sell in Bangladesh, नहीं आपका good अच्छा नहीं, we will not be selling it them out. ठीक है. So this kind of non-tariff barriers, non-monetary restrictions are being put up by Bangladesh for the Indian goods that are being sold in Bangladesh. For three principal reasons, India has done this. लेकिन इसका effect क्या होगा? If India stops trading with Bangladesh, तो 42% of the total bilateral goods is consisting of only ready-made goods. Ready-made goods is one such sector to which India has stated कि if Bangladesh is making use of the land ports to enter, sell off their goods in Indian market, in India's northeast, this will not be allowed with immediate effect. So this is going to affect the ready-made sector, especially in 42, which is accounting for 42%. ठीक है? Now there are two things here. One, कि for example, Bangladesh is trying to sell off its goods to any other country. For example, Nepal हो गया, Bhutan हो गया, and then you are making use of India as an intermediate transit sector. So we will be permitting. But if you are trying to sell off any goods to India, that will not be permitted. ठीक है? Plus, RNG totally account for 85% of the Bangladeshi exports. Ready-made garments accounts for 85% of the exports of Bangladesh, which of course gets affected if India has put up such kind of trade barrier. And third important thing with respect to fact is that 93% of the total exports of Bangladesh to India takes place through land, and that is what we have blocked. So total export ka 93% is currently getting blocked because of India's retaliatory move. I should emphasize this point. ठीक है? So that was about the cause and the effect of this India's move. Thank you so much.